Hello everybody, and welcome to another episode of CalSR Tech. This is Bill, and today we're going to go over large and small, which are similar to maximum and minimum, but actually give you more flexibility, and we'll go over that, how they're similar and how they're different. So remember last time we went over maximum, which equals maximum, and then your data field, it gives you that maximum number. Minimum does the exact same thing, except the opposite, it gives you the smallest. Well, large also gives you the maximum figure, but it also gives you the second and third largest if you need it. So let's look at the formula. For large, we go equals large, open it, B2, that's the first set in our data, colon, B12, B13, comma, 1, close it, bam. 230 is our largest figure, which matches what we have for maximum of 230. But now we're like, hey, I want to know the top three. We want to know the gold medalist, which is 230, the silver medalist, and the bronze medalist. So let's find out who the silver medalist is. We hit equals large, open it, B2, colon, B13, comma, 2, close it, tab. There we go. Now we know our second largest. Now, let's find out who won the bronze medal. Equals large, open it, B2, colon, B13, comma, 3, close it, bam. Now you can keep on going. You can go to 5, 6, 7. It doesn't really care as long as you put that comma in the whatever number. It will go ahead and spit out numbers. But most people don't need to know all 12 in an order, but you can. But sometimes you want to know your largest and your smallest. In this case, your three largest, which is 230, 226, and 220, and our three smallest. Let's go ahead and figure that out. Now, it's very similar to large, but instead of large, it's small. So we hit equals SMALL, open it, B2, colon, B13, comma, 1, close it, tab or return, 113. Now let's go ahead and check this. If we look, the minimum here is 113, matches our smallest to 113. Now let's look up the silver medalist. Equals small, open it, B2, colon, B13, comma, 2. There we go, and tab. Now we're going to go ahead and do it the old-fashioned way here, just so that some of you people who like to actually use their mouse can see how that's done too. So we're going to go ahead and hit equals, small, open it, go up here to January and our 193, click and drag all the way down to 13. That's where we get our B2 to B13, comma, 3, close that bad boy, hit return, there we go. And now we have 113, 117, 120. So 113 is our smallest, 117 is our second smallest, and 120 is our third smallest. So that is how you use large and small. I want to thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, please like, please visit the blog, and you have a wonderful day.